We have several big updates. These are good updates to share with you on Operation Phoenix. These include the price movement, what's happening Friday, as well as a new exchange listing. And as usual, you can find the links down in the description below. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. So looking at here on Dex Screener, you can see the market cap is just under $7 million. The price is now over 7 cents. And on a day time frame, we're getting pretty close to having that all-time high that occurred back on February 5th. So it's about 1 cent off from this. The staking, we're still seeing about 43% or so of the supply being staked. And if we dive a little bit more into TradingView now, yes, you can actually take a look at cryptocurrencies through TradingView. I created a trading bot, and you can actually get access to this trading bot if you wish. You can use this not just on Operation Phoenix, you can use this on Bitcoin, other blue chips, you can use it on stocks, you can use it on foreign exchange. It's very versatile, and essentially what it does is it allows you to make a very easy, readable chart using high-level technical indicators combined together in a way to give you these potential buy and sell signals. So if you guys want to check out the tutorial video for that bot that I created, you can find a link down in the description below. I just uploaded that video yesterday. If you want to get access to that bot, you can find it through my Patreon, and I do have a link to that in the description of that video, as well as this video. And so let's just go ahead and take a look a little bit more here on the TradingView side so you guys can understand better what we're looking at here with Operation Phoenix. So first up is the Bollinger Bands, the blue, the red, and the green lines. And traditionally, when you have that getting really tight, it's suggestive that afterwards you're going to see an expansion takes place. And we can see in those instances here, historically with Operation Phoenix, we have seen nice volume increases as well as price movements going up. So we do have some nice movement that happened back here on February 14th with that run up. There was a huge sell that took place, and the community actually engaged with that and then started to buy it back up here towards the end point of February 14th. And then another key, a very important point I want to point out to you guys is the Vwap, which is this purple line. So we do see that the price has now crossed over on the 15-minute time frame for that Vwap. And that's another strong suggestive buy signal. So we're starting to see some transitions taking place on the TradingView chart here, right? Because of course you've got long positions, then it follows up with short positions. But what follows after a short position? It would be going back to a long position. So trying to figure out when that next long position is going to appear on the charts with this trading bot. It's suggestively looking like it's right around the corner here. Okay. So looking really good just from a technical analysis standpoint. Remember, these are not assured things. It's just about probability based on trading history and behavior. So looking at this, it's looking really good in that regard. And then we also go over here. We have new exchange listing. That is with Bitmart. So Bitmart will list Operation Phoenix soon. Keep an eye on the socials for further announcements. This came out as a post 2 days ago on February 13th. So if they're saying soon, just think about it. 1 day has already passed by. We're on a second day. Are we going to hear about this very soon? Are we going to hear about it on a Friday? What's going on? It's coming soon. Keep an eye on those socials. It is coming to Bitmart, a major cryptocurrency exchange. This is amazing news. This is something that, again, when we talk about Operation Phoenix, especially from the beginning of this crypto, is that they're aiming to do what SafeMoon should have been and what a lot of people were hoping for. One of those things was getting centralized exchange listings. And so we're seeing very early on, Operation Phoenix is starting to make advances forward with that. Let's see how much that momentum continues over. But these are good signs. This is them continuing on their deliverables, right? So they've got staking already. They've got their own swap on their website. Now we're seeing listings on centralized exchanges, starting with Bitmart. And then next up is on Friday. So Friday, they have their AMA. They're calling this the Astronaut Lounge. That's at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. The Astronaut Lounge, they provide the link there. It looks to be through Telegram. Okay? says venue. They've got their guest, Operation Phoenix Network. This is through Astronaut Lounge. AMA going on. Things are looking good. They also have the BSC scan, just a little bit more information for you guys. BSC scan has been updated. One more thing to check off the box. On to the next. If you guys use Trust Wallet, take a look in there. You guys should actually see that icon having been added, as well as the price being live as well, or as relevant as possible as how it shows with cryptocurrencies in general on Trust Wallet. But it's nice to be able to take a look in your wallet and see what the value is. And there you go, guys. So again, if you want to check out my bot, you can find a link to the video tutorial that walks you through. It's very easy. That's the whole point of why I was making this. And it's a great starting point to figure out where you could potentially buy or sell in your different trades with either crypto, stocks, foreign exchange, and you can see the value behind all of that. So that is through my Patreon. I have a link in the description below for both the video tutorial as well as the bot itself. And I appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. Thank you to my Patreon supporters. A double shout out thank you to We Love, Victor Vegas for being higher level patrons. Thank you to my YouTube members for your support as well. God bless. We'll see you in the next episode.